Hey guys, welcome to Silver Lake. It is the end of October. What we're doing today is checking on the bees to see their food situation and if they still have brood, and what's the amount of brood and how many frames. So this video is just to open the hive and to show you how they look right now. I don't usually open hives, but because I've done everything on time, and now they just need quiet and they need rest. Alright guys, let's check hive and see how they're doing. It is the end of October, and okay, as you can see from top of the hive, there's not a whole lot of bees. That means they're down underneath all this honey that's stored on top of their heads. See this bird comb top of the frames where it helps them cross. Let's see what's going on inside. I don't usually open the hives this late, but just this purpose of the video and to show you, they have a lot of honey stored. You can see all these frames are full of honey. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, bees can be a little aggressive this time of the year. That's why we're wearing protection, because there's a lot of robbing and all that, so they're protecting their honey. So let's see what's going on. So we have full frame of capped honey. Let's check so this hive is left on 9 frames, so we still have brood. This one we have pollen on the other side. There's quite a large amount of bees. You can see there's still a little bit of capped brood, and they're working on their honey domes above their heads. Yeah, there's nectar. So they're back filling the empty, brood cells with nectar. As you can see, there's just a small patch of brood, and all the rest is nectar and capped honey. So they're reducing their laying, and probably in a couple of weeks the queen will stop laying totally, and we can do our oxalic acid in November. So you can see there's plenty of food. So we're actually going to move one of these frames on this side